Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back from your break. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. Today we are November 30th, 2020, and our goal is to get a 90 or higher on our end of module. And we have an end of module coming up next week. So today we're going to be doing lesson 25, and our objective is I can strategize and apply understanding of the equal sign to solve math expressions. Well, all that means is that you are able to solve expressions and plan to put them together so that you make true number sentences. Here are our key points. Our key points are, what do we need to know? Well, we need to know what an expression is. And an expression is just as simple as 4 plus 8, meaning that it just has your first two parts, or your whole and your part if you're doing subtraction, but you don't have an answer yet. So remember that an expression is a number sentence without the equal and your answer. An equal sign. Well, this is what an equal sign looks like. And this one usually comes after your expression so that you can write your answer, or so that you can show that both things are equal. And today we're going to be making true number sentences. And what true number sentences are two expressions that are equal on both sides. So remember, we talked about the equal sign. Here you see the equal sign right here in the middle. And all this is telling us is that these two expressions are equal on both sides, because 1 plus 3 equals 4 and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So both sides are the same. How are we going to be successful? Well, first, we're going to make sure that we solve the expressions, which we should be able to do. And then we're going to find the expressions that are equal. And then just last, we're just going to match them to make them a true number sentence, or just make a true number sentence. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to start with the word problem. So at this point, make sure you pause the video, get a paper or a piece of paper ready with a pencil to solve the problem, or get your whiteboards out. Ready? Here's the problem. Pencils and markers are parked. Micah had 16 trucks and lost 9 of them. Charles had 1 truck and he received 6 more trucks from his mother. Who has more trucks, Micah or Charles? So we want to know who has more trucks. But both boys had something different. So if you're working out, let me go ahead and get my pen. Go ahead and get your pen. Sorry, your pencil or your marker. Go ahead and make a line like this. And we're going to put an M for Micah on one side. And we're going to put a C for Charles on the other side, because we're going to solve to see who has more trucks. Ready? So let's go ahead and solve Micah first, because the problem, if you see here, it starts with Micah. It says Micah had 16 trucks and lost 9 of them. So how many trucks did Micah start with? Get ready. Yes, 16. So we can write 16 because he started with 16. So are 16 our whole or our part? Get ready. Yes, it is our whole number. So let's go ahead and make a number bond and write 16 as our whole number. And now it says that he lost 9 of them. So is 9 a whole number or a part? Get ready. Yes, it's a part. So put it as a part in your number bond. And it says that he lost them. So if he had 16 trucks and he lost them, did he get more? So do we have to add or do we have to subtract? Do we have to plus or do we have to minus? Get ready. Yes, if you said subtract or minus, You're right, because remember, he lost them. So we are not adding anymore. We're taking away those 9. And now we have to find out how many he has left, right? So let's draw our picture. Ready? 1, I draw, you draw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you need more time to finish your drawing, go ahead and press pause and press play when ready. Now remember, so he had started out with 16 trucks, but he lost 9 of them. How can I show that he lost 9 of them in my picture? Do I draw 9 more? Get ready. No, the answer should be no, because remember, he lost them. He didn't get 9 more. So do I cross off 9? Get ready. Yes. So let's go ahead and cross off 9, just like this. And now we just add our leftover parts, right? Or we count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can't forget about the one up here. So with that one is 7. So how many trucks does Micah have left? Get ready. Yes, 7. So let's write 7. And let's box our answer. Go ahead and press pause if you need more time. Now, let's figure out Charles. How many trucks Charles had? Ready? The second sentence says Charles had 1 truck. So how many trucks did Charles start out with? Get ready. Yes, he started out with 1 truck. So we write a number 1. And received 6 more trucks from his mother. So let's draw that 1 truck. And in our number bond, is 1 a whole or a part? Get ready. Yes, it is a part. Remember, because he had 1, but that's not his total yet because he got more. So go ahead and press pause if you need more time to finish and catch up with Ms. Gomez. Now, we're going to continue, and it says that he received 6 more trucks. So since he received 6 more, are we going to add or subtract? Get ready. Yes, we are going to add. So that means we're going to put a plus. And is 6 a whole number or a part? Get ready. Yes, it's a part. And in our picture, are we going to cross off 6? Get ready. No, right? It doesn't even make sense. We don't have enough. But he got more. So that means we got to draw 6 more. So I draw, you draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 6 equals, get ready. Yes, 7. Put 7 as your whole number. Go ahead and box it. Go ahead and press pause if you need more time. Now, let's answer the question. Who has more trucks, Micah or Charles? Well, look at our boxes. Look at the totals. So does Micah have more trucks? Get ready. No, right? Does Charles have more trucks? Get ready. No. Do they have an equal amount of trucks? Get ready. Yes, both boys have an equal or the same amount of trucks. So now, listen, pencils and markers are parked. So we already said that both boys had an equal amount of trucks. Remember the number sentences that we wrote to match that part of the story. For Micah, we wrote 16 minus 9 equals 7. For Charles, we wrote 1 plus 6 equals 7. Do you see them on your board or your paper? Awesome. So Micah and Charles have an equal number of trucks, right? So how did our story help us see that? Well, because if you see 7 and 7, that means that both sides are equal or the same, meaning that both boys have the same amount of trucks. Guess what we just made? We just made a true number sentence because both number sentences are equal on both sides. Great job, boys and girls. At this point, go ahead and erase your whiteboard or find the next blank space on your paper. Press play when ready. Look at this one. Let me give you an instruction. Ready? Write this down exactly as you see it on my screen. Write 10 plus 2 equals blank plus 6. Press play when ready. Now, we're going to be number detectives, and we're going to figure out what number goes here to make this number sentence true, to make this number sentence equal on both sides. Before that, we have to solve the expressions, just like in our key points. So let's go ahead and solve the expression on this side. What is 10 plus 2? I know some of you already know, but if you don't know, remember you can use the count on strategy. And we count. Count on from 10 with me. Get ready. 10, 11, 12. So what's 10 plus 2, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 12. So that means that if we have 12 on this side, we have to in order to make a true number sentence, in order to make it equal on both sides, we have to write a number that makes this side have a total of 12 also. So we already have 6. What plus 6 makes 12? Well, we can count on, if you don't know, let me help you. So we already have 6. Let's count on and make dots with me. Get ready? We have 6. Then we make 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. Remember, our stopping number was 12. Now let's count the dots we drew. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is our missing part? Get ready. Yes, 6. Everybody write 6. You just made a true number sentence. They are equal on both sides. So this means right here, everybody look at your equal sign, that both sides are equal. Next one, go ahead and erase your whiteboard or find the next blank space on your paper. Press play when ready. Go ahead and write 9 plus 5 equals blank plus 4. Press play when ready. What number goes here to make this number sentence true? We have to find the missing part again, detectives, to make sure we make true number sentence, to make sure that we make them equal on both sides. So let's try it together. What's 9 plus 5? If you don't know off the top of your head, remember, always use the count on strategy. We have 5, so you can draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's count on from 9. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 9 plus 5. Get ready? Yes, 14. Now remember, you can write an equal sign so that you remember that both sides have to equal 14. Well, we have a part that's 4. So we are missing a part that to make this number sentence true. So what plus 4 can equal 14? Go ahead and press pause and let's see if you all number detectives can solve this on your own. Press play when ready. Well, let's check your work. So we're going to count on from 4, and remember we're going to stop at 14 because that is our number. Ready? I'm going to make the dots up here so I have space down here. So ready? We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We were supposed to stop there, and now we just count the dots we drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our missing part was 10. If you got it right and you solved this mystery, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Awesome job. Go ahead and clear your whiteboards or find the next blank space on your paper. Ready? Look at this expression. Look at these expressions. 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 1. Before we write anything, let me explain. We have an equal sign here, meaning that both sides are equal. Is this true or false? Go ahead and write a T for true if it's a true number sentence, or write an F for false if it is not equal on both sides. Press play to check your work. Well, let's check. Sorry, I got the laser instead of the pen. So, in order for us to know if this is a true number sentence, we must solve first. So you should have solved. What's 2 plus 3? Get ready. Yes, 5. And what's 5 plus 1? Get ready. 6. Look at this. We have different totals. So is this a true number sentence? Get ready. No, it is not. It is not equal on both sides because look at your totals. This has a total of 5 and this side has a total of 6. So they are not the same. So you should have put an F for false. Here's the next one. Ready? 7 plus 9 equals 6 plus 10. Go ahead and write a T for true if both sides are equal, or an F for false if they are not equal. Go ahead and press pause and press play to check your work. Let's check. So, boys and girls, what's 7 plus 9? Get ready. Yes, 16. And what's 6 plus 10? Get ready. Yes, 16. So is this a true number sentence? Get ready. Yes, this is true. You should have put a T for true because both sides are equal. Next one, you ready? You have 11 minus 8 equals 12 minus 9. Are both sides equal? True or false? Remember, you write a T if it's true or an F if it's false. Press pause and press play to check your work. You ready? Let's check. Well, what's 11 minus 8? This much subtraction is a bit harder, and it's okay if you drew pictures to solve, right? Because it's important to get the right answer. So you could have drawn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then just crossed off 8, and you have 3. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And now we have to figure out what 12 minus 9 is. So again, it's okay if you drew your pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you crossed off 9, and 12 minus 9 equals, get ready? Yes, 3. So are both sides equal? Get ready? Yes, so you should have written a T for true because both sides equal 3. Great job, everyone. Now, I am going to challenge you a bit to make 2 expressions, meaning fill this right here, fill the blank spaces, that equal 12 on both sides. So here's your equal sign. Both sides have to equal 12. Go ahead and press pause and press play to share your work. By now, everyone should have made a true number sentence that equals 12 on both sides. Go ahead and share with somebody, even if you're at home, your expressions. You want to know what mine is? Well, Miss Gomez is going to share hers. I wrote 6 plus 6 because 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then 10 plus 2. And this is a true number sentence because 6 plus 6 equals 12 and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So they are equal on both sides. Check. Give yourself a big check mark if you made a true number sentence. This ends our practice for making true number sentences, and we're going to continue practicing making true number sentences during the live session. I am so excited to see you all back. During the live session, we are going to be using Pear Deck, so be ready to log into Pear Deck and log into the meeting. Remember, you need to be logged into both in order for you to listen to instructions and be able to participate in the class. See you all then.